This is a 2025 Ford Mustang GT Premium in Carbonized Gray. And while you probably know it's fast and loud, here are 5 things you might not know about Ford's muscle icon. The 2025 GT still runs its legendary 5.0 Coyote V8, now producing 480 horsepower. But what you may not know is this version uses dual air intakes and dual throttle bodies for improved airflow, and it sounds amazing. Optional on the GT Premium is the active valve performance exhaust. You can literally change how loud the car is, from quiet mode to track mode, so your neighbors only hate you sometimes. The 10-speed automatic isn't just fast, it's smart. It adapts to your driving style over time for quicker shifts and better power delivery when you want it most. The new curved digital display merges a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster with a 13.2-inch center screen, all built on Unreal Engine. Yes, that Unreal. It's futuristic, customizable, just like a video game. Ford brought back line lock. Why? For track prep. Definitely not for controlled parking lot burnouts. Definitely not. The 2025 Mustang GT Premium brings back everything you love and quietly adds in tech you didn't know you needed. This isn't just a muscle car, it's an experience.